Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2010 Honda Civic. And what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be changing the engine air filter. This is an easy process. This should take you about 5 minutes and you can do it yourself. First, what we have to do is remove this cover right here. As you can see, it has about 4 tabs. One tap there, one tap there, another one there, and another one there. And all you're gonna do is just push them back. And once you push them back, all you're gonna do is take the cover, come this way, and then turn it to the side. Now that we removed the tabs, all we have to do is move it forward, pick it up. And once we pick it up, all we're gonna do is just pull it from the back. So you gotta get it out of there, and there's a tap in the back. All we're gonna do is just come forward. And once we come forward, all we have to do is just come back and just watch that tap there, that you don't break it, and there goes your filter. And all we have to do is just pick it up. Oh, look at that. This definitely needed some replacing. So now we're gonna take the new one. Make sure it's clean in there. If it wasn't clean, I recommend that you vacuum it. So all we have to do now is turn it, put it in, make sure it's nice and tight and nice and flush all around. And now we're gonna do the same process. Now, you see this clip right here? This part right here, I believe it's this part, is gonna go right in. And then you make sure you put it in there. So we're gonna do it, just turn it. Once you turn it, make sure that it went down in the clip down there that I show you. Pushed in there, you push it in there. Make sure you look around that it's in. Now all you have to do is just pick up the tabs. And there it goes. You put all tabs together, make sure everything is connected, and you have replaced your engine air filter on your 2010 Honda Civic. So once again, this is Not Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Not Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.